This video clip demonstrates how design information from various CAD systems used in shipyards can be transferred into Pemamek's WeldControl 200, preparing data for numerically controlled laser cutting and welding machinery through an automated flow based on the vendor-neutral OpenPDM SHIP integration platform. Supported uses include data transfer for Pemamek's robot package for complete production lines and NC machinery-supported block welding. Pemamek is a leading welding and production automation company, specializing in designing and manufacturing high-tech automation solutions. This family-owned enterprise has been serving customers globally for over 50 years. Pemamek's customer sectors include major industries such as shipbuilding and wind energy. OpenPDM SHIP connects to shipbuilding CAD systems and converts their models into a format compatible with Pemamek's WeldControl 200, providing plate and profile geometry, welding information, and assembly details. Packaged as OpenPDM PEMA Connect, the solution currently supports CAD systems from Aviva, Cadia, Hexagon, Siemens, and SSI. This approach optimizes ship hull design tools with Pemamek's NC machinery for fully automated information transfer. Shipyards use dedicated CAD systems to design hull structure models, which are then manufactured and assembled as panels or blocks. Traditionally, transferring geometry and attributes from CAD systems to NC machinery has been a manual, file-based process. Updates or new requirements often required internal IT intervention, leading to high operational costs. With OpenPDM SHIP, this works differently. ProStep maintains partnerships with major CAD system vendors in the shipbuilding industry, enabling reliable native access to their model data as a maintained solution. Standard connectors to the CAD systems and WeldControl 200 ensure robust transfer of digital model information, including part geometry, plate bevels, profile end cuts, and welding details. Once the CAD model is complete and released for production, the transfer process to Pemamek's WeldControl 200 begins interactively. The exported CAD model information is carried by OpenPDM SHIP's internal SHIP XML format, developed from the STEP shipbuilding application protocols for system-independent representation of part geometry and attributes, including parametricity, topology, and assembly information. OpenPDM SHIP maps all necessary data to the WeldControl 200 format, allowing direct import of the model data into Pemamek's environment. At the core of PEMA automation is the WeldControl software system, which drives operational excellence, high welding quality, and productivity. WeldControl 200, specifically designed for shipbuilding, connects hardware and digital capabilities to enable full machine integration, effortless 3D-based robot programming, and real-time process monitoring. OpenPDM SHIP generates information about parts and assemblies in WeldControl 200 with high fidelity from its intermediate representation. During the import, parts and assemblies are automatically created or updated according to the company's business rules. As a result, WeldControl 200 contains part and assembly information that can be used to create or update NC files for the Pemamek machines. Our collaboration with Pemamek has proven successful in shipyards across Asia-Pacific, Europe, and the Americas. We continually work to enhance the integration of shipbuilding, CAD, and PLM environments with Pemamek software tools and NC machines. OpenPDM SHIP is the unique vendor-neutral and open digital integration platform for PLM in shipbuilding. It is based on more than 20 years of experience in connecting information flows across PLM systems. OpenPDM SHIP is the basis for your digital platform and for implementing your digitalization strategy. It connects all your mechanical CAX and shipbuilding-specific design applications and common PDM, PLM, and ERP systems in a future-proof manner and keeps pace with their evolution. We call this PLM integration as a product.